Hello, and welcome to this session, LO4, Understand the Complexities of Relationships in Supply Chains. Today, we will explore how supply chain relationships operate, from internal coordination to strategic partnerships, and how they create value and drive organizational success. Supply chain relationships are vital for business success. They influence cost, quality, and innovation. Strong relationships enable shared problem-solving and efficiency. Poor relationships can lead to disruptions and reputational damage. Understanding these dynamics is essential for strategic management. Internal relationships occur within an organization. Procurement and operations must align to avoid inventory issues. Logistics and sales coordination ensures customer satisfaction. Finance and supply chain teams negotiate budgets and terms. Effective internal relationships rely on shared goals and authority. External relationships connect organizations with outside parties. Upstream, they involve suppliers and logistics providers. Downstream, they include distributors and customers. Governed by contracts, these relationships require trust and mutual benefit. Effective management is crucial for supply chain success. Relationships exist on a spectrum from adversarial to integrated. Strategic positioning on this spectrum is key. Investment in partnerships must be justified by returns. Different suppliers require different approaches. This strategic choice impacts supply chain performance. Adversarial relationships are short-term and price-driven. They involve multiple suppliers and minimal information sharing. Transactional relationships offer some consistency but lack long-term commitment. These types are suitable for low-value items. However, they pose risks of low supplier prioritization. Collaborative relationships involve medium-term contracts and information sharing. Partnerships require long-term commitment and joint planning. Both types foster mutual dependence and innovation. They are suitable for high-value, high-risk items. Strategic alliances offer the highest levels of trust and investment. Not all relationships should be partnerships. The right type depends on value and risk. Adversarial is best for commodities. Tactical relationships suit regular suppliers. Strategic alliances are crucial for critical components. Portfolio analysis categorizes supply items by importance and risk. It helps allocate management resources effectively. The Kraljic matrix, supplier preferencing, and purchaser positioning are key tools. They guide negotiation and partnership decisions. Effective analysis maximizes value and minimizes risk. The Kraljic matrix classifies items by profit, impact, and supply risk. Leverage items exploit buying power. Bottleneck items require securing supply. Strategic items need partnerships. Routine items benefit from standardization. Suppliers also assess their customers. This model identifies how suppliers view buyers. Core accounts receive service, but not priority. Development accounts are ideal for partnerships. Exploitable accounts may face premium prices. Aligning buyer and supplier views is crucial. Misalignment poses risks to service continuity. Strategic buyers may be seen as nuisances by suppliers. Routine buyers may have untapped leverage. Corrective strategies align both perspectives. Well-managed relationships add value beyond pricing. They enhance quality, timescales, and quantities. Pricing agreements offer cost certainty. Quality improvements reduce defects. Collaborative relationships optimize supply chain efficiency. Relationships evolve through stages from awareness to dissolution. Maximum value is achieved during expansion and commitment. Awareness involves recognizing potential partners. Exploration tests compatibility. Expansion deepens collaboration. Beyond negotiation, relationships manage costs collaboratively. Open book accounting promotes transparency. Target costing aligns incentives. Joint cost reduction eliminates waste. Gain sharing incentivizes performance improvement. Quality improvements stem from strong relationships. Supplier development enhances quality management. Shared standards reduce defects. Total quality management extends across the supply chain. Joint R&D fosters innovation. Time-based competition relies on fast supply chains. Just-in-time delivery requires trust and precision. Quick response adapts to demand changes. Lead time reduction improves cash flow. Agile supply chains respond to unexpected shifts. Getting the right quantity to the right place is crucial. Vendor-managed inventory reduces buyer burden. Optimal order quantities balance efficiency and responsiveness. Delivery point optimization improves logistics. Cross-docking consolidates shipments efficiently. Walmart and Pangee's partnership transformed their supply chain. Real-time data sharing improved stock management. Vendor-managed inventory reduced costs. Joint promotional planning increased profitability. This partnership exemplifies value creation through collaboration. Internal and external relationships require different management. Portfolio analysis guides strategic decisions. Added value arises from cost, quality, and efficiency improvements. The relationship lifecycle informs investment strategies. Effective management maximizes supply chain success. You now have the tools to maximize value and minimize risks in supply chain relationships. For any queries or assistance, send a WhatsApp to 07484361688. Our team will be glad to help. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you again.